is Yogamaya Purnamasi is arranging all the lilas, and she's orchestrating them all. And then Brinda Devi assists her by, planting different trees and bringing musical instruments. Brinda Devi is the assistant. She doesn't arrange the lilas. Oftentimes people say that, but this is incorrect. Because everywhere in the Bhagavatam is Yogamaya, Lila Shakti, but Lila Shakti is not directly identified as Brinda Devi, and Lila Shakti is not directly identified as Yogamaya Purnamasi. But practically speaking, who's arranging all the Leelas and all of Vrindavan is Yogamaya Purnamasi. And who's arranging all the stage manager, who's arranging all it says, Govinda Lilamrita, Brinda Devi has different cottages around the yoga pit and around the Rasastali, different cottages and kutiyas, and she's storing musical instruments. The gopis aren't carrying venas on their shoulder, running down from Barsana with a veena or pakawaj and a mardanga over their shoulder, running to the Ras Leela. It's not like some, profis, Kirtan Mandali, carrying their mardanga, carrying their harmonium. They just run in a madness, one cudgel on one eye and everything upside down, topsy-turvy dressing. And when they get there, Brinda Devi, she's giving all the instruments and the makeup and the madhupan and everything. All the paraphernalia. She's in charge everywhere of the paraphernalia for this Radha Krishna's pastimes. But for all the Leelas in Vrindavan, Yashoda and the Vatsalya Rati and the Sakya Rati, all the Leelas are arranged by Yogamaya.